In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build FlowPhantom upsell and cross-sell offers inside the Webflow designer. So there will be 4 different parts to this video. First, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste components from the FlowPhantom component page into the Webflow designer. Then I'm going to show you how you connect a collection list to the products collection. After that, I'm going to show you how you can add different Webflow elements and bind them to certain product fields. Finally, I'll go over the important aspects that you need to have in your FlowPhantom offer before publishing. So today we're going to have a look at this Vision Zip Jacket add to cart offer. And when we add this to the cart, we get the Miami Comfort joggers. Now you can see that I already have this configured in my FlowPhantom dashboard. When the Vision Zip Jacket is added to the cart, we get the Miami Comfort joggers. To start building inside the Webflow designer, let's go to the setup instructions, and you can see the first step is to navigate to the FlowPhantom component page. So we're going to filter by a trigger that we want and get a good design starting point. We're going to hit copy. Then we're just going to go to the Webflow designer and hit paste. But first, I'm going to delete this old one and hit paste. Great. Now we need to connect this collection list to the products collection. So we just double click it and we're going to select products as our source. Great. Now you can see we have all the products here. We really only want one. So if we click the collection item, hit the gear icon, you can see there's an option to limit items here. Let's go ahead and limit it to 1. Great. Now we have a collection item where we can add different Webflow elements and bind them to the product fields. Now I did cheat a little bit and I already built that out in this Webflow build. So you can see how this image is bound to the product collection and this product card image 1 field. This header is bound to the product collection and the name and this price. So FlowPhantom will, at the time of the add to cart offer, swap out any element that is bound with the correct product data. So we're going to get the correct price, that's going to swap out, the name's going to swap out, the image are going to swap out. Great. So you can add any elements here and then bind them to the product fields. Now with any FlowPhantom offer, we need to make sure that we have an add to cart element. This is how the customer accepts the offer and adds it to their cart. Additionally, if you have any products that have an option list, you need to make sure you design your option list in your upsell offer. If your products don't have option lists, this doesn't apply to you. Or if you have some products that have option lists and some that don't, make sure you're designing a product that has an option list here. To get that, you go to the FP collection list and you again hit this gear icon. From here, you can filter different products or you can start a different one. Just make sure you get a product that has an option list. Otherwise, FlowPhantom will default back to the default Webflow styles for the offer. We probably don't want that. So to reiterate, you want to add Webflow elements, bind them to the product fields. At the time of the offer, FlowPhantom will swap them out with the correct data. Make sure you design an option list if that's something your products have, and make sure you have an add to cart button. Now, finally, before publishing, go to the outermost container, the FlowPhantom component, and set it to a display none. FlowPhantom will handle showing and closing the offer when the product is added to the cart. So we're going to go ahead and publish that, and we're done. Now, I want to reiterate that we're going to show this again, that this really serves as a template for FlowPhantom. We're not going to upsell or cross-sell the dry fit leggings every single time. We are just showing the FlowPhantom how to display the upsell or cross-sell. So to reiterate that, we have this Vision Zip Jacket. Last time it upsold or cross-sold to these Miami Comfort joggers. Let's change that out. Let's go with the Coral dry fit leggings. Save. We'll go to our Vision Zip Jacket page, refresh the page. Now when we add this, we have these Coral dry fit leggings. So all of these elements are bound to product fields, and FlowPhantom is swapping them out at the appropriate time for the upsell or cross-sell offer. Hopefully that gave you a good overview of how a Flow Phantom upsell or cross-sell offer is built in the Webflow Designer. Now, if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to me at support@flowphantom.com. Thanks.